What if a simple $400 system sitting on your roof could provide almost all the hot water your family needs completely free for decades? What if the sunlight hitting your roof every day already contains enough energy to replace most of your water heating bill forever? Today's Smart Structure Hub reveals the incredible truth about solar water heaters and why this proven technology remains surprisingly rare in many American homes despite being used successfully around the world for generations. Solar water heating is one of the oldest and most reliable renewable energy technologies ever created. The idea is simple. Dark surfaces absorb heat from sunlight. When water flows through dark pipes or solar collector panels exposed to the sun, that heat transfers directly into the water. The heated water then rises naturally into an insulated storage tank through a process called thermosiphon circulation, where hot water rises and cooler water sinks automatically without needing pumps or electricity. This means a properly designed solar water heater can operate almost entirely through basic physics alone. In sunny climates, solar collectors can easily heat water to temperatures suitable for showers, dishwashing, laundry, and every normal household use. Many systems maintain hot water availability through the night because the insulated storage tank keeps heat trapped for long periods of time. Around the world, millions of homeowners already rely on this technology every day. In countries like Israel, Australia, China, and parts of Europe, solar water heaters are extremely common. In fact, Israel requires many new homes to include solar water heating systems because the technology has proven so effective and reliable over decades of real-world use. Yet despite abundant sunshine across large parts of America, solar water heater adoption remains surprisingly low. The reasons are often economic rather than technical. Conventional gas and electric water heating systems generate enormous ongoing revenue through equipment replacement, energy sales, and installation services. Traditional water heaters typically require replacement every 8 to 12 years, while continuously consuming gas or electricity every single day. A solar water heater dramatically reduces those ongoing energy costs by using free solar energy instead. Once installed, the operating cost becomes extremely low because sunlight itself costs nothing. The financial benefits can be enormous over time. Many households spend hundreds of dollars every year heating water. Over decades of home ownership, those costs add up to thousands of dollars. A well-designed solar water heating system can reduce water heating energy use by 50 to 100% depending on climate and system size. In sunny regions, some homes can rely almost entirely on solar hot water throughout the year. Even colder climates can still achieve major savings by preheating water before it reaches a conventional backup heater. The engineering behind these systems is also surprisingly efficient. Modern flat plate collectors use insulated dark absorber surfaces behind glass covers that trap heat while minimizing energy loss. More advanced evacuated tube systems use vacuum insulation around glass tubes to achieve excellent performance even during cold weather. Both approaches capture solar radiation and transfer that heat directly into water or a heat transfer fluid circulating through the system. The storage tank then preserves that thermal energy until hot water is needed inside the home. Proper insulation is critical because it allows water to stay hot for many hours after sunset. A typical residential system includes collector panels, insulated piping, a storage tank, and sometimes a backup electric or gas heating element for cloudy periods. Many basic systems can be built using widely available materials and standard plumbing components. DIY solar water heater communities have demonstrated simple, low-cost systems using black pipes, storage tanks, and homemade collector panels capable of producing impressive results. More advanced professionally manufactured systems offer even greater efficiency and reliability. The environmental advantages are equally important. Conventional water heating powered by gas or electricity contributes significantly to household energy consumption and carbon emissions. Solar water heating reduces fossil fuel use dramatically while producing clean, renewable thermal energy directly from sunlight. Unlike solar electricity systems, solar thermal collectors convert sunlight into heat very efficiently with relatively simple equipment. That simplicity is one reason solar water heaters can remain operational for decades with minimal maintenance. Across America, homeowners who install solar water heaters often report lower utility bills, greater energy independence, and long-term reliability. Families in Arizona, California, Florida, and Texas frequently achieve near total hot water coverage from solar energy alone. Even homeowners in colder states report meaningful reductions in conventional energy use. The technology works because the physics is simple and dependable. The sun delivers enormous amounts of free energy to rooftops every single day. A solar water heater simply captures that energy before it goes to waste. As energy costs continue rising, more homeowners are rediscovering the value of technologies based on simple proven engineering rather than constant fuel consumption. Share this video with every homeowner you know because affordable hot water should not remain hidden from ordinary families any longer. Subscribe to Smart Structure Hub for more hidden engineering secrets, smart home technologies, and energy-saving construction ideas designed to help homeowners save thousands of dollars over time. Build smarter, live better, and save more. Because the sunlight hitting your roof every day may already be enough to heat your water almost completely free. A water heater on your roof could eliminate your hot water bill forever. This incredible technology uses free sunlight to heat water naturally without expensive energy costs. Millions of homeowners around the world already use solar water heating to save thousands of dollars every year. The sun gives your roof free energy every single day,